Traders, welcome back to a brand new video on the Brazil FX trading, the king of blue. So guys, in today's episode I want to explain to you this simple strategy. This is a phone strategy. All you need to just have your mobile phone. It shouldn't be very expensive, just a mobile phone, guys. So in today's episode, guys, I want to show you this simple strategy that has made me more than 30% of what I have on my live funded account with my Forex funds, guys. This is a simple strategy that I've been using to create trades for not just me, but also guys that are in my private group, guys. So everyone who has been in my private group has been eating money off. So guys, without further ado, make sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on notification bell so that you never miss out whenever I post a video. Let's get started. So one of the easiest forex strategy that I always use and I'm always profitable, like 100% profitable, is demand and supply. And I'm going to explain demand and supply to you the easiest way using this GBP JPY trade that I booked today. So I'm going to share my screen now and you can see it. I've already made more than $2,000 today, guys, off this. You can see I'm already up $900 on this one right here. And today I've made, I'm currently holding another trade that is a 5 lot size, as you can see, for $1,400. Probably that's already more than $2,000. So the first thing is, first of all, you have to be trading just a few currency pairs to like understand how certain pairs move. So if you're someone who trades GBP JPY, you already know that GBP JPY is one of those pairs that respect Forex patterns a lot. Now, the first thing, even whenever you come into the Forex market, guys, make sure that whatever pair that you're trading, look at the trend of the market on the daily time frame. As you can see, we are in an uptrend currently, and then always make sure to trade according to the trend of the market. So you be on now, you have assurance that okay, what I'm doing is right. Price can never like really take you out whenever you're trading according to the trend of the market. So you can see we're in an uptrend, guys. Currently we're in an uptrend, and also you can see we had an ascending triangle. This is an ascending triangle on our daily time frame. Even when you zoom into the 4-hour time frame, you can see this is an ascending triangle right here. As you can see, traders, this is an ascending triangle, as you can see. So whenever I have this ascending triangle, price has to break out. One of the signs that I like to see that price is going to break out is we have this consolidation right here, this big consolidation, this one right here. So whenever I have this type of consolidation, price has to break out and then retest. Price has to break out and retest. So most of the times when you're looking for retests won't like really happen to currently where price has been. So you have to be someone who's very smart sometimes, traders. Now let me show you. So the first video that I made of the GBP JPY, we had price shoot up with these big momentum candles, these two big momentum candles, and I knew a retracement would come in. So how did I first take these trades that I just showed you, these ones here, of the retracement? Now the first thing I had is I had to go into my 1 hour time frame, and on my 1 hour time frame I wanted to see a support and resistance kind of a thing. You can see when price pushed up here, then it started coming back down, then it gave me more of a heads and shoulder pattern. You can see this is a heads and shoulder pattern, as you can see. So now for me, I took my trade just off here. When price came back to retrace, to retest this zone here, because you can see we had more of a support level and support was broken, so price started shooting back down, then came back to retest into the support level and then started dropping down. Because even when you look on the 30 minutes time from traders, we had this supply zone right here. You can see this one right here. So meaning price had to like drop down. So I took my trade when price was dropping and I put my target just down here. As you can see. And the reason why I put my target down here because you can see, guys, you had the weak rejection here, which this intended to show us that this is a demand zone. You can see price pulled back. So I knew when price reached here, it would pull back. I put first of all my take profit down here because most of the times retracements happen to a level where price has already been. But I knew in my head that the demand zone is always a strong zone. Price when it reaches there, sometimes it tends to respect those zones. You can see when price came to this zone right here, we had this demand zone. So price bounced off and started going back up. But how did I know that we would find a demand zone here? Not just because of this week. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Whenever we have big candles on big time frames, just like this. You can see, you can even see here, traders, you can even see the wick is there. But this is something key you should always understand. Demand means aggressive buying. Demand means aggressive buying, and supply means aggressive selling. You can even see we had aggressive buying in here, but even when price was going up, we had weak rejection in there, which makes that a demand zone on our 1 hour time frame, as you can see, traders, which makes that a demand zone. You can even see here we had weak rejection. So now what happens when price comes back to that same zone? We have price here giving us 2 pin bars. One is a red pin bar, another is a blue pin bar, which can also call a hammer. So whenever I see these are my most important confirmations when I'm trading the Forex market. First of all, price has come to my demand zone. So I expect price to shoot back up, because remember, we were expecting this retracement to come in. But how far do you think the retracement was going to go? At my demand zone, which I had identified, and I even sent in the VIP group, and I told guys, price is currently finding support at a zone, so we should be out here with we should be already out with profits. As you can see, guys, we're already out with profits of 30 pips. You see these, we close them manually, guys. So you can even see that, traders, we had price come into this zone here and give us 2 confirmation candles that are pin bars. Currently we are running more than 30 pips on this trade, guys. We are running more than 30 pips, because you can see this was a sniper trade, guys. You can even see I used the 5 lot size. This is how confident I was sure of my trade. And most of the times when I've showed you about demand and supply, I've showed you that this is a strategy that you can use, and then you're going to go in with the bigger lot size, and price is going to go your way. Because remember, the first thing, I'm trading according to the trend of the market, and I'm trading because the retracement has ended. Because even when you use your Fibonacci retracement, traders, most of you know me, I always use the Fibonacci retracement. I never have a nice impulsive move like this to the upper side. Why not use the Fibonacci? So let's apply the Fibonacci, and I show you where price. So when apply Fibonacci, we apply from the swing low to the swing high if you have applied it on an uptrend. So let's see. Traders, you can even see our Fibonacci retracement price reversed at 61.8 level. This is always a turning point for price. You can even see, traders, this is always, let me make this very well so that you can even see. So traders, you can see this is our Fibonacci price reversed at exactly my important zone. You can see we had weak rejection at the 61 level, and then you had price start shooting up with momentum there at the 50 level exactly. Traders, Forex is not very hard. Forex is very easy. The only hardest parts are the emotional parts when you're into trades. You can even see I took this trade with a 5 lot size, which is taking and giving me $50 per pip. It's taking $50 or it's giving me $50. So most of you guys, if you are into small profits, you close automatically. But again, this was a very simple trade, guys. Whenever you use this strategy, you're going to make crazy amounts of money that I can't even tell traders. Very simple strategy, guys. Very simple. Like, actually, the bull market for the GBP JPY has just started, but I've already secured off some few profits. Again, traders, very simple strategy. Go to your daily time frame. Identify the trend of the market. When you identify the trend of the market, then try and identify the zones where price you think can always come in and retrace, guys, and take your trade, guys. You can even see I shared the same information in my VIP. I even told everyone price may find, you can see this was the before, guys, price may find its support at that support level that I've just drawn out here. And you can see even here when price started giving us the pin bars, you can see I was telling everyone that this is what we're expecting, traders. And if you want to join my VIP, guys, make sure to DM me, and I'll definitely add you to my VIP at a small subscription fee where you don't have to really struggle analyzing this. But again, traders, this is the first strategy that you can apply to your trading system and be profitable, guys, and be able to make this crazy amounts of money from anywhere. So traders, Forex has never been very hard, to be honest, guys. I'll tell you one thing. For you to be able to succeed in the Forex market, first of all, you need to trade only a few currency pairs. And then when you trade a few currency pairs, you're going to know how they move. So I'm someone who trades GBP JPY. However much, there's too much manipulation of the GBP JPY, but I like to trade it because most of the times, whenever I see supply zones, demand zones, for instance, price always acts out the way I like. So guys, make sure to apply this trading system to your trading system and be profitable. Trading takes time. You won't become profitable in just overnight. These things take time. I've been in the market for quite a long time and I'm enjoying the process. So yes, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in my next. Peace.